Are you also excited? For now, here are some Taekook video clips for soundcheck. All the fans, especially the ARMYs, are now hyped and having the best time of their life watching the soundcheck of BTS, especially the Taekook lovers. What more if they watch later the performance of the group? Everyone is so grateful for having this kind of opportunity again to meet and watch them perform again. What about you? Are you also excited to watch them virtually? Comment below. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Hope to see you again in my next video. Bye!